It's a great event. You know, we met with the guys from Blockonomics some time ago, and when in the preparation for this, and Malaysian Blockchain Association, we're members of Malaysian Blockchain Association and MOGU. So we're very excited about this prospect, and obviously this is the first of many events to come, and so we're really excited to be a part of it, and really motivated to help bring more of these events to life. MOGU is an infrastructure as a service provider, and then we're stepping into the everything as a service. And how we do that is we've designed and developed pretty innovative hardware. That hardware is a router that goes in the home, so everybody needs a router to access the internet. The difference with our routers is that each one is also a server. So everything in the space at the moment for big data and server management, any kind of computer power and processing, is mostly done out of fixed location, big server farms. You know, a lot of those big US companies, Amazon and Google, you look in the Nevada desert, they've got big solar-powered server farms. And that costs a lot of money to have. You need technical experts, you've got all of the actual physical hardware and the space, the cooling, power requirements, land requirements, so there's a lot of barriers to entry, and that's why those big corporations have controlled that big data and management side of the industry for so long. So at the infrastructure level, which is really the platform for every other cloud technology to build on, it's so controlled by centralized companies, these big corporate entities. So we're in a decentralizing world. Obviously, we're all part of blockchain, and we're thinking about decentralization, but the increased dependency on the cloud is forcing us to re-centralize with these big corporates. Because each one of our routers is a server, the more we have, the bigger our server farm becomes. So instead of a server farm being in one fixed location with all of these heavy costs, our server farm, just the same way that MOGU, which in Mandarin is mushroom, the same way that mushrooms grow, our servers are all based in homes and businesses around the world. They're accessible as quickly and efficiently as any other server. So even if they're spread out all over the planet, we can use them far more effectively on a cost level and on a processing level than anything that exists in the market now. We're moving towards everything as a service. So we want to inspire the dreamers and the developers of the world and bring what is a tightly controlled industry into a more open industry. So allowing people higher access to data and data services, higher access to that development infrastructure and platforms that they need to be able to make their dreams come true and improve the world, of course. That decentralized nature is very important to us, and it's bringing power back to the people. We really want to build a community that's able to step into that for generations to come with something of their own. And so with our routers, it's cheaper, more effective to access that data, but also we pay the owners of each router for the use of the server services that we provide. So as we are processing that server services through each one of those routers, we're giving back to the people who owns it, which means that everyone is part of our community. Moving forward, it's not just big corporates, it's everyone in the world.